We going today, baby?
We're going for a ride.
Yeah, where to?
I forgot. Where are we going, Michael?
Leesburg.
Leesburg. And the villages.
Yep.
Yep, we are.
All right, start her up.
Hey, Wayne.
Yeah.
Did you get a feeling something was going on when you started walking over?
Market and Marion for glasses, right?
To where?
Market and Marion for sunglasses.
Oh, yeah, we do need some sunglasses, too. We do. Doing, Mike? Lisa?
Hey, how are you?
Good seeing you guys.
Thank you.
And here's our group. We had Mike and Lisa join us way back in Gainesville, and then we just picked up Tony and Vicky. And man, what a nice day for a ride. Out here, outskirts of the Ocala National Forest. Look at that tree. Look at Wayne dance. Up, Marcia too. Tony, where's Tony at? Tony's got to be doing it. Yep, fireball. We got the Junior Ranger in the back over there.
Walk this way.
I hope YouTube don't ban the song.
What? Yep. Same place. Second shot around. That was number 16. Here comes
Some nice cars out there, Junior Ranger. Looks like they had a pretty good turnout. Look at this. What are you doing?
My buddy's come down and bought a bike.
Okay.